guys, so now we're gonna eat lunch, and there's a famous shop that sells fish balls in Malacca, so we're just gonna go over there now. They're quite famous for their fish balls, but there's a lot of other stuff that they sell here as well.
Yeah, it is handmade for all the things like shoes, embroidery, and wood carving.
So these are like the traditional.
Yeah, lion cake.
Oh, for like the lion dance.
Yeah, lion dance.
So this is Jonker Street, and it's one of the famous landmarks in Malaysia. And right here, it's supposed to be like a night market at night. So there's a lot of small stalls that are set up here. So this is a Hokkien temple, and there's quite a lot of heritage around Malacca. So this is onde onde, which is like a traditional Malaysian pastry. Right guys, so right now we're gonna go to the jetty for the Malacca river cruise. Alright guys, we're gonna go board the boats now. So it starts at 7. So right now it's about 7 and it's gonna get dark soon. And later it's gonna light up, and a lot of bridges and the buildings around here as well. Alright guys, so we're at the restaurant now. So we're gonna be eating chicken rice bowl for breakfast. So this is the chicken rice bowl, and they're gonna prepare the chicken like that. So there's different types of chicken and duck, and they cook the rice in these pots over here, and then they'll make them into bowl shapes. Alright guys, we're here at the Baba Nyonya History Museum. Alright guys, so we're right now at the Malaysian Maritime Museum, and this entire ship is actually a museum. So we're gonna go up the stairs there and go inside now.